back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing an eye look for you using the Chi Chi Freedom Love, Create and Express Yourself eyeshadow collection. So Chi Chi's, I don't know whether they're new or not. I saw them in the Black Friday sales and thought I would pick them up. I also have the iconic one. And honestly, I have not been a big fan of massive palettes, but I do love massive palettes as well. Like, I know I just contradicted myself so much there, but I honestly do. Like, you can do so much with them. And yeah, so this is what she looks like. Absolutely stunning, absolutely amazing. Like, the colors are just like insane. Absolutely insane. It comes with a massive mirror. So even though it's a massive palette, it's still travel friendly. Chuck it between your clothes and you have a mirror. You have 45 shades to use. Like, it's insane. But I thought we would do an eye look today with it and yeah, have a bit of a play and see what we think of the palette. I've swatched a couple of the colours, used a couple of the colours, but obviously there is 45 shades. I'm not going to get to use them all. So I thought we'll give this a go, have a little play, and yeah. So, just a little disclaimer, I have my washing in. If you hear beeping, that's what it'll be. It'll be my washing that is done. Gonna go in with a fluffy brush. And so this is a little hard because they don't have names, but I'm thinking of this one here. I'll take that one there. It's gonna be a bit hard to do, but okay. And just fluffing that into the crease and above it. Oh, this brush is really nice. I picked up this brush from Cotton On actually. Something so random, but yeah. These are really pigmented. When I had to play around with them, I literally just played with some of the beautiful colours in here, because I just felt so inspired by it, and I just wanted to play with it. So this is a really, really nice colour. I am going to work today, so I can go crazy on my eye look like work wouldn't care, but I do need to be a little bit, you know, a little bit normal. I'm going to dip into nice orange shade now. I'm just tapping that off because I feel like it'll be very pigmented. Oh my god. Yeah, that's pretty damn pigmented. This is just a nice fluffy brush. It's a Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush. Okay, so that blended out really, really nicely, and I think it looks amazing. The pigmentation was great, it blended really easily, so far so good. Now, I don't know whether I want to stay orange, I don't know whether I want to go pinks, purples, greens, blues, browns. Like, there is so many options in this palette. If you really particularly want to see a look with this, or me use a colour, leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely do that, like 100%. I might go with, oh my god, it's so hard. I might go with the next deeper, like orangey colour. It's like an orangey red. I'm just gonna, oh my god, you see that? That's a bit insane. Okay. Wow, okay. Yep. I'm only just tapping my brush into the pan, by the way. Like, I'm not swirling it in there. Like, not a whole lot picks up. Like, you don't think a whole lot is picked up, but by God, are they pigmented. I really want to do maybe a purple. God, this is not going to be wearable whatsoever, but okay. I'm just going to go into like this deep muted purple. You can't really see it on the brush, so hopefully. Oh yeah, it's definitely not as muted as I expected it to be. I thought it would be a more mauvey purple. They're blending really nicely together. This one I think is a little bit drier. It could be the brush I'm using as well, because it is quite a firm brush. The others I've used are quite fluffy, so it kind of picks up the product. Like, that sounds really stupid, but it picks up the product a little bit better because like those fluffy little bits kind of dig into the pigmentation. I really like that colour though. I have no idea what look I'm doing here. I'm just going to go back into the sit with the Sigma brush. I'm not adding anything onto it, just blending that crease just so I haven't gone too high with that purple. Yep. I think now we'll do a shimmer on the inner corner. I think I want to use like I might use like a brush like this, so it's nice and dense. I think I'm gonna use this shimmer down here, this one here. Yep. Hopefully that works okay. Yeah. Alright. I haven't actually touched this one yet. So it picks up pretty decently on the brush. I don't know whether you can see that or not. Sorry if you can't see. I just put my hand in the way. It's going on okay. I wouldn't say it's going on the best. I'm having a little trouble kind of getting it to transfer. So what I'll do is I might go in with my finger and blend it in that way. Yeah, I think that worked a whole lot better. Definitely. So I'm just going to go back in with the brush and go on the other side. And you're probably wondering why I'm doing it like that when I know it didn't work. But if you make a mistake, well, not necessarily, it's not a mistake, but say you've trialed a shimmer dry and it works best wet, you just do the exact same thing on the other eye and your eyes are going to come out the exact same. Like, they're not going to be super different. And it's something so little, but it's like just makes it more cohesive. And yeah. There we are. That is bold. A lot bolder than I was expecting to go. But I'll just go back with that Sigma brush. And I'm just fluffing that there. Just for any shimmer that's kind of gone up, because I didn't lay down any base, like extra base or anything like that. Now for the lower lashes, lower lash line, I'm thinking I want to do that purple. Is that a smart move? All right, let's do it. Picking it up. Wow. Okay. That's so pigmented. That's insane. Alright. I will grab the Sigma brush again and I'm just going to go into like a lightish pinker colour. Just a little bit, just to blend that. just so the line's not as harsh. Everyone says you need like a transition colour, and that's kind of what I'm doing here, but I'm just making it, I'm doing it after, if you know what I mean, because sometimes I only put like a really, really light colour under my eyes. So this, if I do any transition colour afterwards, I can, I don't know, I know how it's going to look. Like it might sound really silly, but that's just the way I like to do it. So I'm just fluffing that up, keeping that nice and blended. I really want to play with the blues in this, but I don't know. I just felt like it was a warm kind of day, so like it literally is a warm day. It's 37 degrees. But yeah, these are stunning. I want to put something on the inner corner, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go with like a brush like this. It's like just a pencil brush, and I'm thinking I want to go with this one here. I have used it before. I can't remember what I thought about it, because I literally just played around, like nothing too insane. So hopefully it shows up really well. I think maybe it was like a topperish colour. Yeah, it's not super, I like my inner corner kind of blinding. It's a bit lackluster, to be honest. I might go in with this little one. It's a bit firmer, and I might go into goldier tone, a bit more champagne colour. Picks up pretty good. Yeah, this is better. It's a lot golder, but that's alright. I'm really liking this actually. This is a really, that's a really nice colour. It's not as blinding as sometimes I go, but like I said, I am going to work, so better tone it down a little bit. Alrighty. So that there is the finished look. I will just go and put some mascara on, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts on what I thought of the colours that I used in this palette. Alright, I'll be back soon. Alright guys, I'm back. I've got mascara on. I did highlight my brow bone. So yeah. So this palette, this cost me, well, it retails for $49 here in Australia, and straight away you go, that's actually really expensive. Chi Chi is supposed to be affordable. But you get 45 shades. So I think it, like realistically, that's pretty affordable. You get 45 shades, you get a massive mirror, and these shades are actually really, really good. Let me swatch a couple for you before we go. So I've got, that's just a gold, an orange, and a matte blue. Like that matte blue is going to be amazing, like absolutely amazing. So yeah, I honestly think these are beautiful. I do a matte purple, a shimmery blue. Oh, that's beautiful. And this shimmery, because this hasn't been touched, this shimmery kind of brown colour. So this is a matte purple. This is the turquoise blue. And a taupey brown. Absolutely beautiful. Like these are really, really, really nice. And honestly, like, I think it's worth the money. I do. I didn't pay $49 for this palette. I got, like I said, I got it in Black Friday sales, so it, like, I think I paid like $21 or something ridiculous for this palette. So yeah, I actually really, really like this and would love to do lots more looks here on my channel with it. Let me know if you would like that as well. I will leave the Chi Chi Cosmetics website down below if you would like to check them out. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I really, really like this. I think you could get so many looks out of this, especially if you don't have many like palettes in your collection. You don't need any more. You've got everything here, just about. And like the Iconic palette, so beautiful. I will do a look with the Iconic palette probably next on my channel, and get that up as well so you can have a look, and maybe you might prefer that one. Obviously I don't have the Aphrodite one, which I think was their first, but honestly these ones just spoke to me. The Aphrodite one didn't. But there you go. Go get this. If this, I think it is totally worth it. Amazing gift present or anything like that. Definitely worth it. Yeah, 100% worth it. And I never thought I would be raving about something from Chi Chi Cosmetics, to be honest. Like, that sounds so horrible, but it's just not something I expected to be doing. Anyway, I hope you've liked how this look turned out. I love it, and I can't wait to play with those blues, those greens, some of the goldy colours, even like a natural browns colour. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I will, yeah, if you want some of the colours on iTutorial, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it and would like to see it more, and please subscribe if you would like to see it more of me so we can hang out together.